guys! Welcome sa ating vlog. So we're here in Batangas for a family trip, staycation. Kasi holiday ngayong May 1. So stay kami here until May 3. And right now, magka-cafe hopping kami. So ang first stop namin is yung Maison Brewing. It's our first time here. So let's see, parang mukhang promising yung menu nila in terms of coffee and the food. So sama kayo. So, dumating na yung orders namin. What's your order, babe?
Sausage, breakfast sausage with egg.
Wow.
Fried
Tapos
rice.
yung sauce niya parang gravy, no?
Yeah.
How about si Neneng?
Two
Tama. Na sobrang laki no
Ang daming
slices. Fairness ha.
Pero malambot.
How about you, Tita Ina?
KFC kimchi fried carbs.
Spam ba to? Spam and egg.
Right, an egg. Kimchi lang.
Wala lang yung
For the main
kanin.
event. For the main event.
And yung sa akin, pares. Gulat kami naka-lunchbox. Lunchbox! Buksan natin.
Mini fries.
Ay,
Ito po yung matcha.
hindi ba tayo nag-order ng coffee? Liter na lang.
Take out na lang siguro.
Ano yung sure nung?
Truffle.
Ay, truffle. I love it. May deep dish or ketchup.
Thousand Island.
Sige, tingnan natin. I-rate natin later.
Ano yun?
Lock na ano mo?
Mm.
Medyo nakakatakot. Ah, kasi may soup.
Mm.
Medyo ingat lang kasi may soup and rice. So, pares talaga. Leto. Ay, ang init. Wow, I love it. Okay, happy eating to us. We're here at the outlets in Lipa.
Gusto mo ako?
Kasi naka ano
Gusto mo ako din? Oh, yun tayo mag-isa. Uy, nato dito giant girl. Wow. Promising to.
Ano guys? Mama, sir.
Hi guys! So, dito kami ngayon sa Liwasan para siyang, ano ba, food park dito sa Tanawan. So, tingnan natin ano yung mga merong kainan. Let's go! dumating yung orders namin. So, I got the hazelnut coffee hot. Hey, Neneng. Hazelnut din to, diba? Coffee. Original, yung may condensed milk lang. Na upsize. And then, kay Iya,
Hazelnut.
na cold. Upsize, diba? Ah, talaga? And then, kay Daddy, ano order mo, Daddy?
Nanyang oat.
Ano ulit yung nanyang?
Yung parang black coffee na slight stronger sa Americano.
Tapos may order lang kami na Kaya toast with condensed. Isa pa pala, Kaya toast with butter. Yung kanina pala is peanut butter pala. So, tatlo yung food namin. Ito, peanut butter. Ito, I think is toast with condensed.